Rubik's Cube package will come. The name, Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen. Papa Jesus, I hope my 4-pack Rubik's Cube will come. Because I'm waiting for it. Can you please grant my wish to let my 4-pack Rubik's Cube come? I wish that the 4-pack Rubik's Cube package will come. I hope it will come. Because I'm waiting for it for a long time. Amen. Name, Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen.
2,000 years later.
Kurt! Kurt! Hi!
Hi.
Is it your order came?
No.
What did you order?
4-pack Rubik's Cube.
Yes?
For business.
Yes. 2 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 3.
What's that? Is that your collection? Yes.
Yes.
Where did you order?
From Shopee.
Shopee.
Yes.
Okay, what is your wish?
I hope my Rubik's Cube will come.
What?
I hope my Rubik's Cube will come.
Ah, okay. And then, if your Rubik's Cubes will come, what will gonna happen?
It will have too much Rubik's Cubes.
Yes?
Because of 4 equals 7.
Ah, okay.
A few moments later.
Let's play. Stand there. Okay. Remove your rabbit first. Kurt. And then stand there. Close your eyes and then turn around 10 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Surprise! What's that? Let me open it. Let me help you. What's this? What do you think is this? Rubik's Cube. Hold it. Okay, then open it. Sit down. Thank you, Shopee. Open it. Okay. You like it, Kurt? Okay, you want me to help you?
Yes.
Okay. Let it down there. Let me help you. Okay, now you can make your unboxing.
Sit down, Kurt.
Wow. But I think this is cube. It's cube.
Can you show us one by one? And can you explain? Can you explain to us? Open it first. What's that?
This is Simica's cube.
Yes, can you open it? Or let me help you?
I'll see if this is a cube.
Yes, one by one you can explain it to us, okay? While you're doing your unboxing.
It's not a cube.
Yes, what's that? Sit down, baby, sit down.
This is my 4x4.
Okay. And then the next one. Next one.
Stop! Then this one, 5x5. This is hard.
What's that, Kurt?
5x5 Rubik's Cube. This is a lot more harder than it looks.
Okay, next, baby. How about the other one?
This is good. This is good. I love
Yes,
this.
what is this?
2x2. 2x2 Rubik's Cube. This is one of my favorites. Oh my god, this is a lot more hard.
What's that, Kurt?
2x2 Rubik's Cube.
Can you show? Can you show?
This is a lot more harder.
Yes.
Because I
How about the other one? How about the other one?
cannot Rubik's. I cannot. 3x3. Yes. Same like this. 3x3.
How about the other one? Can you show us?
Wow.
Show it, show it.
This is
What's that? What's that?
3x3.
Okay, now, how many Rubik's cubes do you have?
7.
Yes, can you explain it one by one?
Hi guys, today I will show you my Rubik's Cube collection. This one is 2x2 Rubik's Cube. And even I can run record it. This one is effective, one of my favorites. This is one of my favorites, this. Next, another the one it's scrambled. The one it's scrambled. Tita Ganda gave me this. Next, another magnetic scrambled. This is also one of my favorites. And this is also carbon fiber. Fiber Rubik's Cube. Next, 4x4. The harder ones to expect. This one is the harder ones to expect. And there's even no pink. Next, the harder one. 5x5. And this one. Not here. This one. 5x5. This is also uncheatable. This is uncheatable. It's all the games that it's uncheatable. This one. This one. This one. Yes, this one. This one. And also this one. No. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my mommy's YouTube channel. Like and subscribe my mommy's YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button down below. March July, my mommy's channel. Bye!
And then turn around 10 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.